going to show you how to macrame on SilverSilk Knitted Leather Chain. It's a quick technique, and once you get the rhythm of it, it's really fun to make. Let's start with our tools first. You'll need a pair of chain nose pliers, some cutters, and jewelry glue. For our materials, we'll need 12 or more large hole freshwater pearls. These pearls are between 10 and 12 millimeters in size. 36 inches of 1mm nylon knotting cord, 2 SilverSilk single strand end caps, 1 lobster claw clasp with a few 6mm jump rings, and SilverSilk knitted leather chain in your preferred necklace length. If you want a choker length, cut about 15 inches of chain, and for a princess length, cut about 18 inches. Keep in mind the clasp will add about a ½ inch to your final length. Let's get started. Find the center of the chain and the midpoint of your nylon cord. Position the midpoint of the cord over the center of your chain and pass both ends of the nylon cord through the loop to create your first lark's knot. String one pearl onto the right cord and position it next to your starting lark's knot. Lay the cord over the chain to form a loop. Bring the cord under the chain, pass it over itself on the way out, and pull to tighten. This makes the first half of the lark's knot, so now let's make the second half. Pass the cord under the chain to form another loop. Now pass the cord over the chain and under the loop and pull. Try to keep the tension even on your knots so the pearls stay snug between each knot. A simpler way to remember this is what I like to call the lark's knot chant. It's an easy way to remember the order of the stitches. Over under, then under over. Over under, then under over. After knotting a total of 6 pearls, switch over to the left cord and repeat the same flow for 6 more pearls. Once all your pearls are knotted, make one final lark's knot on each side without adding a pearl. Apply a small drop of jewelry glue into the knot and allow it to dry before trimming the cord. Let's finish up our design by adding the findings. Insert each end of the chain into a single strand end cap. Use the wide part of your chain nose pliers to close the end cap. I like to squeeze each end just to make sure it's completely secure. Then attach your lobster claw clasp and jump rings onto the loops of the end cap to finish your necklace. I hope you enjoy learning this fantastic new technique for making a pearl necklace. If you want the pattern for this design and more ideas on how to use SilverSilk, scan the QR code on your screen or visit the SilverSilk and More website. Thanks so much for watching.